good afternoon and good evening wherever you're watching this video. I'm about to finish a hike this morning and it's time to fill up my stomach. Let me show you guys my go-to meal that I like to cook when on the road. It is super simple and fast and can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. A green bell pepper, some sausages. This is the type of sausages that I like to use. They are pre-cooked and they can last for pretty long without much effort of refrigerating. Your choice of beans. I'm using these ones, pinto and red kidney beans. It has a touch of spiciness and this might be my favorite one that I've tasted so far. For this, I'm using a pot. And the reason that I'm using a pot instead of pan is that the oil won't splashes to everywhere, and everyone will probably agree that the worst part of cooking is cleaning. This one specifically is non-stick, so I can fry things in it. Oil goes in, bell peppers and sausages goes in, and let's start the fire. A couple of you have commented saying, "Yo, I can't believe you went with gas instead of induction stove." I'm exaggerating. All of you that are watching this channel have been really kind, and I just want to be clear that I would love to switch to induction, and the only requirement is that I don't have a external power source right now. That's because the 12 volt back here is not powerful enough to run an induction stove. So what I would need to do is have an external power source like a Jackery or EcoFlow, but they are really big and bulky and I just don't know where to store them. But on the other hand, growing up from an Asian culture, it just feels wrong to cook without fire. Rest assured, I will switch to induction at some point, probably when the Cybertruck becomes available. But for now, in the Model Y, with my limited space, I'm gonna stick with propane. Let's fire this up. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Once they are goldish, I'll then add the beans. Okay, it's too cold out in this temperature and it's been frozen. I'm gonna put the cover on to let the heat circulate a little bit. Okay, and that's it. I swear it usually looks much better than this, but I think the frozen can of beans kind of messed this up visually a little bit. I also like to eat this with bagel. I can use this as a dipping sauce. And there you go, guys, my favorite meal to cook on the go. I'll see you guys next time, and if my video inspires you in any way, remember to go out and stay adventurous. Cheers.